What if I told you 1 spoon of this warm white powder could help protect your plants from pests and keep them growing healthier month after month? Most gardeners use expensive products, but this simple, natural ingredient works quietly in the soil and on the leaves. Today, I'll show you an easy way to use white pepper powder for stronger plants and natural protection. First, for prevention, take a small pinch of white pepper powder and sprinkle it around the base of your plant. Then lightly mix it into the top layer of soil. White pepper contains natural compounds that help discourage harmful insects and create a cleaner environment around the roots. It also supports healthier soil conditions, which helps plants grow stronger over time. Use this method just once a month for steady growth. Now, if your plants already have problems like aphids, mealy bugs, or tiny chewing insects, here's a simple homemade spray. Take 1 spoon of white pepper powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. White pepper creates a strong smell and taste that many soft-bodied pests dislike, helping keep them away from leaves. Next, add 1 small cup of milk. Milk helps the mixture stick better to the leaves and provides natural nutrients that support healthier foliage. Mix everything well and pour the solution into a spray bottle. Spray gently over the leaves, especially underneath where pests usually hide. Use this spray every 7 to 10 days until the pests disappear. Soon, you'll notice cleaner leaves, healthier growth, and stronger plants naturally. Try this simple method once, and your garden may never look weak again.